Here I have my iMethod Brow Art Studio. This is a 2-in-1 pen. It is a slimmer pen, looks kind of like an eyeliner, but it is double-sided. I'm going to go ahead and show you the tips on this pen. So this one is kind of like a thin line marker. So take a look, very, very fine tip, allowing you to create those little strokes, especially like in the beginning of the brow, which I did here myself. I actually use this on this brow because I use a different product on this other brow. So it is also an iMethod product, but I wanted to do a comparison on both of them. But I did use this one on this eyebrow. And then also on this other end, take a look, it does have this tip right here. It does have 3 little strokes, like take a look. So this actually allows you to fill in your brow. Go ahead and add a video here of me filling in my brow. I did conceal them with concealer once I was done, but what you want to do when you get this marker is you want to just go ahead and stroke it upward, like follow the line of the hairs, and then on the top you kind of want to create that strokes downwards. It is buildable, so you are able to add more if you like. This is in the color medium brown, but they do have a variety of colors available. So depending on your hair color or what color of eye product you want to use for your eyebrows, then I would highly recommend. But if you're looking for something like this, both ends, I would definitely recommend this product. Also, another thing is that it is waterproof. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you right here. Just create little baby strokes. So once that dries, it's not going to smear or smudge. So you don't have to worry about it until you completely wash it off. So I'm just kind of like making sure that it is dry, just to show you that it is not going to smear or wash away, like if you rub it or anything. So I'm rubbing it, and as you can see, the strokes are still there. So definitely worth if you're looking for a product that does not smear, because I know a lot of products out there do tend to smear, and that's one of the problems that I have. So I would highly recommend, if you're looking for something that's waterproof and it's not going to smear and it looks great, I would definitely recommend.